I was sent this Storm fan, handheld fan, and it does come with a C-port cord. So you're just gonna plug that in right here. You just pull back this silicone. You got your on-off switch here. And then when you're looking at this, so I'm gonna turn this back on, you can kind of see that number in there. And so this tells you the battery life and also the speed. So it goes all the way down to 1, but if you hold it up, you can see it go all the way to 100. And then like that is some really powerful wind. I'll show you with a plant so that you can kind of get an idea of how strong this fan is. So here's a plant I have on my deck, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fan on, and I'm gonna run it all the way up to 100%. So here you can see how much it's moving this plant. Like that's a pretty good powerful little handheld fan. And then if I drop it, we'll do like 37%. You can kind of see it's still moving the flowers a little. Drop it down some more. It's just a very light. So depending on if you're looking for something super powerful, you know, or really, really mild, this would pack in a backpack really great. So if you're sitting on a plane or maybe on a bus or something and you just need some airflow, like this little handy thing is going to be so nice. And then it does have a ring clip here. So you could, if you needed to strap this to a backpack or something, that would be handy as well.